Hey guys, it's Ruth Ann, and today we're gonna Disneybound as Winnie the Pooh. So the first thing we're gonna do is, since Winnie the Pooh is a yellow bear, I'm gonna start with a yellow long sleeve shirt. Ooh. Okay, so now that we have our long sleeve yellow shirt on, the only thing Winnie the Pooh styles his outfits with is with a red shirt. So that's what we're gonna add on right now. Ooh. So now that we have the red top on, I wanted to keep the theme of yellow since he's yellow from head to toe. So I bought this yellow skirt, yellow velvety skirt. I didn't own this. This is something I got just to make the Disneybound more complete. You can use whatever yellow bottoms you have. I just feel like adding some yellow bottoms would just make this a more complete Winnie the Pooh. And then last but not least, I'm gonna add my yellow bands. I already own these. If you don't have yellow shoes, I'm sure whatever sneakers you have work. Most Disneybounds are fine as long as like the top part is like super matching. If you don't have yellow shoes, you can try red shoes or brown shoes because the honey jars that Pooh likes are always usually brown. So for the hair, what I like to do is put my hair in two buns to act as ears because he's a bear. And I do that by just putting normal buns on each side of my head. If you don't want to do that, you can always make ears or just use ears you already have. So if you wanted to do some makeup, I did a yellow eye look. If you want to do the same thing as me, I made a tutorial for it. The video will be in the description as well as somewhere on my face. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you know when my next video is coming up. I'm definitely going to do more Disneybounds like this. And yeah, just thanks for watching.